Unlock coding mastery. 10 best free websites to learn programming. 1. Codecademy. Codecademy offers basic coding lessons for free, but to dive deeper, you'll hit paywalls. They cover multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, C, and more. Subscriptions start at $17.49 per month when billed annually. Link codecademy.com. 2. SoloLearn. SoloLearn offers a user-friendly and entirely free alternative to Codecademy. With courses in Python, C#, Java more, it stands out with mobile apps for on-the-go learning. Link sololearn.com. 3. FreeCodeCamp. It offers interactive web dev courses for free, complete with verified certifications. Learn HTML5, JavaScript, CSS3 more with a structured interface and an active community forum for support. Link freecodecamp.org. 4. Programize. Programize is a platform that provides detailed information on computer science concepts and a wide range of programming language tutorials. Link programize.com. 5. W3 Schools. For those interested in learning Python, W3 Schools offers a wealth of tutorials and has been a reliable resource since 1998, primarily focused on web development but also offering lessons in other languages. Link w3schools.com. 6. Code.org. Code.org is an excellent resource for school-age students who want to learn programming, providing all its courses and activities for free, along with resources for teachers. Link code.org. 7. CodeChef. CodeChef, a non-profit based in India, offers courses in Python, C, Java, C, and C#, along with monthly coding contests. Link codecheg.com. 8. Dev Projects. Dev Projects allows you to work on real-world coding projects designed by experienced developers, offering opportunities to collaborate and receive feedback. Link dev.to. 9. Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is another resource for learning various programming languages and includes quizzes and contests. Link cdn.geeksforgeeks.org. 10. Stack Overflow. Lastly, Stack Overflow is a valuable site where developers can ask and answer coding questions, making it a great place to learn from your mistakes and seek help from the programming community. Link stackoverflow.com.